because there are so many diets out there, like you mentioned, there's a lot of paleo and all that keto diets and everything like that. I'm curious, why should somebody go on the primal diet? Like what are the benefits?
Well, I mean, the benefits are you will trend toward your ideal body composition. So you start to become a better fat burner by eliminating a lot of the foods that we eliminate on this program. You'll have more energy throughout the day. You'll probably sleep better. You'll probably be more productive at work and won't feel like you've got these wild energy swings throughout the day where your blood sugar is taking a hit from the meal that you just ate and then and dousing your body with insulin and then causing you to be hungry again for the next meal. So all these things tend to be mitigated, and the primal blueprint is very doable for everyone because we don't even eliminate nearly as many foods as, say, the keto diet would eliminate.
Oh, yeah.
Keto diet becomes a more restrictive diet in some regards, but the keto diet also really, really dials in your metabolic flexibility. So most people, for instance, who are keto only eat 2 meals a day because 3 meals a day is just too much food. They can't do it because their body is so good at burning off their stored body fat, so good at producing ketones, so good at and so efficient at using the energy that's available within their body and not having to burn it and throw off a bunch of free radicals and create a lot of toxic byproduct in the process. They become so efficient that they don't need as much food to thrive. And that's the big, I think the biggest, most relevant benefit of a keto diet is achieving metabolic flexibility and realizing you don't need nearly as much food as you think to maintain muscle mass, to be strong, to not get sick, to have all the energy you want, and most importantly, to not be hungry, because hunger just ruins everything, right? But if you become metabolically flexible, your body doesn't even know that the 500 calories that it just consumed in the form of fat, it doesn't know whether it came off your hips and thighs or whether it came off a plate of food that you just ate, because the process by which you recognize the need for energy and the body deals with it in real time by taking the fat out of storage is a seamless process that you don't have to think about, you don't have to wonder about, and the body does it because you've trained it to do it.